In this video, we will show you how to easily find and organize your designs with the Design browser. You can find the browser from the Welcome tab, as well as from the Window drop-down menu. The browser opens up a new tab where you can see your hard disks, USB drives, and navigate through your folders. The Design browser is very much like the File browser, which is available on all operating systems. This practically means that you can navigate through your disks and look for the files that you want to use. The main difference is that the Design browser shows you only the files that are supported by the software. Additionally, you can filter the visible designs by artwork, graphics designs, or by embroidery. When you're looking for an image or other artwork file, you can hide all other supported files. Likewise, when looking for embroidery designs, enable only the embroidery. Now, for any of the available icons, the design is selected with a single click, and you can see a preview on the preview area. With a double click, the design is opened onto a new tab. Any design you load appears in a new tab on your screen, and you still have your browser tab handy so that you can easily return to the browser. You can also resize the preview area by dragging its left side, and hide it by clicking on the arrow that appears on the left again. You can also change the size of the preview using this drag bar. Likewise, you can adjust the size of the thumbnail icons, or even customize the view of the icons. So depending on what you select, you have minimal mode, where you see only the design icon, normal view, where you see the design's name above each thumbnail, and a more elaborate view where you get further details such as dimensions, number of colors, and number of stitches right below. Now, let's talk about the browser's components. On the navigation area, there are 3 sections. In the Favorites section, you can see your favorite locations. Click on any of the listed ones to access the content of your favorite folder. You can easily add any folder to your favorites. Right-click on a folder and use the Add to Favorites option. Additionally, using the Scan Directory option, you can scan for subfolders with supported designs. From the appearing list, select the entries you wish to add. You also have the option to completely scan a hard drive. This doesn't mean that you end up with a list of each and every such folder, rather the top levels, which may contain multiple subfolders with designs. If you want to remove a folder from the favorites list, you can do so by selecting the respective option from the right-click menu. This is the Recent section where you can see the latest folders you browsed through. The folders you accessed recently are being automatically added in this list. In the Devices section, you can view the computer's internal storage devices, USB or other memory external devices, as well as any connected embroidery machines. Now you can also easily access designs stored on the storage of any connected machine. Most Windows File Explorer or MaxFinder abilities are also included in the embedded browser. So you have standard file management options, copy, paste, create folder, rename folder. Likewise, if you right-click on a design, you can open, copy, paste, and rename the design, and have other file management options. You also get the option to show the design in Explorer along with other various selection presets. Finally, you can select multiple designs by holding the Control key down for Windows or the Command key for Mac OS, and then click on the designs you want to select. If you hold the Shift key down while clicking on more than one designs, you get to select all those designs at once. The click and drag ability for files or folders is also supported. From the address bar folder path, you can navigate through the folders by clicking on the name of the folder. Type or paste the specific folder path, copy the current folder path or paste any path copied. Move back and forth with the use of the arrow buttons. Finally, you can search for a specific design in the current folder by using the search bar.